we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Osfvn small Christmas tree, 2ft Prelit battery operated timer, lighted artificial green, mini Christmas pine trees, decorations tabletop. Centerpiece mantel home decor. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Small table Christmas tree decoration. The small Christmas tree measures 24 inches height and 16 inches in diameter. It made of quality PVC tree tips. With full tree tips, this small mini Christmas tree will be well decor your home on any small place. Pre-lit Christmas tree. Perfect outstanding decoration for Christmas. The Osfvn pre-lit Christmas trees tabletop decor are very nice decoration for Christmas holiday. Light up your home with this grace tree light at your special and memorable Christmas holiday. And enjoy the season with the warm and sweet atmosphere bring from these adorable Christmas trees. It will be suitable for living room decor, tabletop decorations, table centerpiece, fireplace decor, celebrating Christmas New Year events etc. Convenient timer design. Designed with 6-hour on/18-hour off timer mode. It will run 6 hours and automatically turn off, and after 18 hours this glass Christmas tree's lights will automatically turn on and keep repeating every day until you turn it off. So you won't get bothered by constantly turning the light on and off every night. To reset the starting time, firstly, turn off the tree lights and turn on it at the time you want, then the tree lights will start with the new time schedule. 8 lighting mode. This Christmas tree's lights powered by 3 AAA batteries, batteries are not included. It's pre-lit with 50 LED lights in 8 lighting mode, that will bring you more Christmas festival atmosphere. It's a nice decoration for Christmas party. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.